negative. Why not to take with the help of figure? You see, in the yx graph, you could see the y equals to 2x square is this graph. The graph is perfectly symmetric about y-axis, but it is opening upward. Y equals to minus 2x square is this parabola. It is perfectly symmetric about negative y-axis, and it is opening downward. So this is how the sort of study we do. But again I said, remember, suppose someone says there is a motion where x equals to 3t square. Now just see, in the mathematical form, if we see this is the y coordinate, because this is how we are trained, this is x coordinate. So just try to compare the mathematics. The mathematics would say y equals to 3x square. So that graph is the graph of a parabola.